Alright everyone, so we are back, and today we're finally gonna finish up the Threadripper build. And finish up, I mean hard pipe liquid cooling. So from the last videos, which will be up by the time you'll see this one, I reused my old tubing, cleaned it out just so I could get this system going because I needed it. And today finally all the fittings came for the hard pipe, and we're going to go through and we're going to make this hard pipe. So this time I'm going to record everything. I'm going to speed it up, and I'll probably listen to music, so I'll have to take out the audio for the time being. But I'm going to film the whole thing of me siphoning out the fluid, because I'm not going to drain it because this is brand new fluid. I'm going to siphon it out, I'm going to reuse it, me cutting the pipe, putting the fittings on, checking it out, and going from there. So this should be a pretty good video. It should be kind of informative. I'll stop and show what I need to show when the time comes, and let's get started. Alright, so we are back up and running. It's done. I went around with a paper towel, tested for leaks. I'm going to leave the cap off the reservoir for right now to get some air out of the system. It's going to take a little while, a couple times turning it on and off for the full air to come out of the lines. Other than that, you know, just watch it. I'm going to check temps in a little bit, make sure all that's good. But she was a success. And I'm just going to show you real quick one of the tubes that came off of the computer. So that kind of stuff is what tends to build up after a while. And it's almost like little flakes. This is why you absolutely have to clean your water loop if you have one. Probably, I would say once a year minimum. If you use your computer a lot or if it's in the sun a lot, you know, to create algae, I would say absolutely more. Maybe twice a year, like daylight savings. But other than that, that was it. So this is Jared from TechWorks. I will be back with another video eventually. See you then.